Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to have a look at making tax digital and how it's going to impact on individuals and sole traders in the coming years. My name's Johann Goree. I'm the Managing Director of the OnPoint Accounting Group. We represent a group of brands that are looking after small businesses and small business owners across the UK and helping them be digital in time for HMRC to roll out Making Tax Digital in 2023. So what's happening? Well, HMRC are gradually digitalising all of their tax submissions from VAT to self-assessment tax returns, followed by corporation tax returns. Phase 1 was VAT, and that's been rolled out over the last couple of years. We're now ready for Phase 2, which is income for individuals, and that will come out in 2023. And then we'll be expecting corporation tax in 2025. At the moment, it's an ETA. So what is Making Tax Digital? Basically, HMRC are trying to digitalise and make submitting tax returns more efficient for both them and the taxpayer. They're trying to get data in on a more regular basis. So when we go to digital submissions for individuals, instead of doing one a year, you're going to do quarterly submissions, followed by one final submission that will tie everything up nicely and generate your tax bill. And it's also the foundation to HMRC having more access to your records to validate the information that you're submitting to them. The first major change that's going to impact on some businesses or sole traders, as we should call them, is that the accounting year for sole traders is going to be legislated to run April to March. So if you're currently running, for example, May to April or September through to August, your accounting year is going to need to change by the start of 2023. So it falls in line with the quarterly submissions HMRC are expecting. Most modern small sole traders are now running April to March. All of our clients certainly are. But there are a lot of people out there that have been running for many years whose accounting year has always run from the date they genuinely set up until the month end before that. And then they report appropriately to HMRC through the tax deadlines. So that's our first big change that's going to happen. As I said, most of the OnPoint Accounting Group brands clients are all already filing April to March, so that's not a huge issue for our clients. The next major thing to be aware of is this quarterly filing. So every 3 months, HMRC are going to want submissions from all sole traders and individuals who use self-assessment tax returns so that they can estimate a tax bill more accurately throughout the year. And then a fifth one just to tie up loose ends such as annual revenues, dividends, P60s, etc. So this is to help HMRC to more accurately project your tax, to help you save and accrue your money into savings accounts more accurately for your tax bill. The third major change is that HMRC want you all to file through a MTD certified accounting software product. At OnPoint Accounting Group, all of our brands specialize with QuickBooks, and we encourage all our clients to use QuickBooks. So for a lot of our clients, they're already MTD ready without even realizing because they're on QuickBooks already. If they're not on QuickBooks, we'll be moving them to QuickBooks. The reason we've got to file through an accounting software is because HMRC are going to stop accepting paper forms, and they're going to turn off their current web platform where you can submit online your tax return. This will ensure that the HMRC then have access in the future to be able to not just look at your tax return, but also look at the records that form that tax return, so that they can look at more accurate detail if required. So when's this all going to happen? Well, from the 6th of April 2023, we are going to be expected to submit all self-assessment tax returns through a digital platform such as QuickBooks, and we are going to be asked to do it on a quarterly basis with a final fifth one to follow up, we believe. It looks like the deadlines are going to be 1 month and 5 days from the period end. So April, May, June. At the end of June, we need to file your tax return for self-employed, and we have until the 5th of August to do that in. I hope that makes some sense. Obviously, this is a huge change. We have got time, but please rest assured this time runs by quickly. the MTD VAT caught a lot of people out. Even though we'd been talking about it for years, a lot of people kind of ignored it, saying, oh, it's coming later, it's soon, we'll deal with that in the future. It's not an issue. This is an issue. You're better off getting ahead of the game. And it's because of this that we're partnering up with QuickBooks, and we're going to be offering a lot of free events, training courses, both online and offline once COVID rules allow. And we're also running a deal with QuickBooks licenses. So anyone that subscribes to QuickBooks before the MTD event through JGBC, Brighter Future Accounting, or any of our other OnPoint Accounting Group brands will be able to access QuickBooks for a £10 a month license for the life of their usage. So that means that you're not going to get this saving that you can get direct from QuickBooks for a few months and then pay full price. We'll charge you £10 a month for the life of that license that you use it for. So if that sounds like something you want to take part in, please get in touch. All our details are below in the detail for this video, and we can get you set up with a QuickBooks license. We can get you set up with a 90-minute onboarding training with QuickBooks so you can understand how to use it. We can have a look at how we can help automate all that bookkeeping and your banking and save you loads of time, but also save you those sleepless nights trying to get ready for MTD, because you'll be ready to go already. I hope this video has been of use. Please do reach out to us if you've got any questions whatsoever. We'll keep making these videos over the next 2 years as we get ready for Making Tax Digital for the self-employed, and keep a lookout for any events we'll be running. Remember, all our events are always free of charge when it's coming to educating and training people in the way of taxes. Thank you very much.